The pandemic has had a massive effect on all of us, but it has had significant effects on teens, especially teens going into middle school and graduating into high school. Today I've talked to some of my peers about their experience during the pandemic and how being alone with their thoughts has affected them. How do you think the pandemic has affected your mental health personally, and what big changes really happened during the pandemic?
Well, I've always been kind of self-conscious about my body, and throughout quarantine, that just kind of got to me.
Yeah.
I was starting to eat less. I wouldn't eat as much, and I would try to exercise as much as I could, and that didn't work out too well in the end.
As the pandemic went on, a lot of people developed eating disorders and body dysmorphia. It was hard for a lot of teens to get out of the loophole of dysmorphia, as there was no one else to tell them otherwise.
That I get nervous, really nervous. For the item poem, I got really nervous. For rest of Mr. Burnett's class, I nearly cried through that whole thing. I kept shaking and I kept falling. So one thing I know when I'm nervous is that I will just be a nervous wreck. And I'm pretty sure people could tell, but the pandemic was one of the best things, because it, like you said, I got to know more about myself, I got to know more than I didn't know.
Yeah. COVID definitely had a lot of negative effects on one's mental health, but also opened the door for new hobbies and new interests.
I realized that I love creating content, so I started a channel and I started making videos.
Yeah, your
They're
videos are great.
the worst videos ever. They're so bad. But it is fun to make videos, and pandemic definitely gave me a lot of time to think and plan them way better than I could.
Yeah, I feel like